So what is CSS? Well, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and CSS is style sheet language that we use to apply styles on HTML documents or on web pages. Okay, what actually this means? Well, when we are building some website, we will use HTML to create complete structure of our website. So we will use HTML or hypertext markup language to create a skeleton of our website. With HTML, we can create all elements of website. For example, we can create navigation, buttons, images, or anything that we want. By default, all HTML elements have some default look. So for example, if you want to create HTML button or button inside of your website, that button will look like this. So with CSS, you can create styles that you can apply on your website. So from default look of HTML elements, you can customize it and all elements can look like you want. For our button, we can create CSS style. So from this, our button can look like this. Of course, you can create CSS styles for all elements in your website. So you can customize appearance of text, all images, or anything that you want. At the moment of creation this course, current version of CSS is CSS3. What are prerequisites to use CSS? Well, believe it or not, to create CSS styles in your HTML projects, you don't need to have any additional tool on your computer. You don't need to install any software or plugin or anything like that. By default, your computer will recognize CSS styles that you will create from regular or plain text. So you need to have just some text editor on your computer and you can create CSS styles for your projects. In this course, we will use Notepad++. What are advantages of using CSS? Well, at first place, CSS will save your time when you start coding. Okay, but how? Well, for some project, you can create CSS file with CSS styles that you can apply on different places in your project, or you can even use same file in different projects, so you don't need to write same code over and over again. Also, with CSS, you can set how your website will look like on different size devices. Well, nowadays, you probably want to customize your website to look differently on tablets or mobile phones. So with CSS, you can set different layouts for your website on different devices. And CSS allows us to easily maintain look of our website. For example, in one moment, if we want to change how our buttons in our website look like, you don't need to change every single button manually. You can change just CSS styles, so that change will be applied on all buttons in your website.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.